Hey there, welcome to Bushwhacked Adventures. Are you ready to journey into the wilderness and explore the great outdoors? All right, welcome to this edition of Bushwhacked Adventures. Yes, that is a cruise ship. No, I won't be on it. We're here in Tampa, Florida, on a little vacation, not going on a cruise, but we are going to head right over there. That's the Tampa Aquarium, the Florida Aquarium. And we're going to spend some time on the beach here at the aquarium, do some other activities, and we're going to share this adventure with you. So with this, we got a little bit of a walk to get over there, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, we're getting close, starting to walk in. You know, we come from a very dry desert climate, so the humidity here is, it's like a wall of water, but it's cool. It allows for all this lush vegetation. So, okay, we're gonna get checked in. Okay, we are inside. Feels good with the air conditioning. Okay, we're gonna take a look at the jellyfish. That's cool. Okay, here's the map. Let's go up to upstairs.
She's super common. We've only got the one here that yeah, Alvin is we have like
okay. Yeah. I mean, if you talk fish to me, I know a trout and a salmon. This is all different. So.
Do you wonder what this was here? Oh, what about that?
The long-nosed gar, Florida gar, alligator gar. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's an alligator snapping turtle. Oh. You asked, are they alive? So alligator snapping turtles are almost exclusively aquatic and stay submerged for as long as 50 minutes at a time. Because they spend so much time still and underwater, algae often grows on their shells. I think we see that there. So. Oh, little duck. Turtles. Super cool.
Swimming on the bottom. That's it.
Oh, yeah, the duck, yeah. All right, gonna go on to the next one. Oh. You ready to see an alligator? Come on. Yeah. Oh, you can see his eyes right up here.
Bigger than
His little eyes show?
little eyes.
Yeah. He's bigger than his little eyes, sitting up above the water. Yeah. Alligator tail? See, here's his head up here. Alligators, no swimming.
There's one right back there.
Oh yeah. Sleeping. Yeah, I saw that sign. No swimming. Yep. So Mangrove Tunnels, that's what we're gonna kayak through. There's little channels.
With lots of
couple of catfish. See back there by the tree? Yep.
Mosquito can't drink your blood. It needs you alive. So that's what the whole goal of the parasite is. This doesn't just want the fishes to talk. Fish's main function. It will even move its body to help the fish swallow its food. Now you might be thinking, well, hang on a minute. That's number one, helping each other out. Most of the time, to the fish, if it's not already, it transitions into a female. If it's a female when it goes in, it stays in. If it's a male near Tampa,
Snakes.
we then keep those pieces of food.
Red rat, gray rat, eastern rat, albino rat.
On this planet. What's the largest?
It's like the eastern rat. It's actually pretty long, maybe 4 feet.
Coral reef structure on this planet. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia. We have heard. So we can
Oh, there they are. They're up in the corner.
in the hopes of getting those coral reefs back. However, it requires a little
Oh, little babies. Turtle. Those juvenile alligators like those heat lamps. It's cool stuff.
No, they're not big enough.
can put them at all three. Navigate. In the summer, they'll go to where there's water. In the winter, they go where there's warmer, and they also go to certain springs, but also near coastal parts to stay warm. The lost parts, they will go to up in the river, that's where they have rain.
A what? Yeah. Yep. Paddlefish.
Look, we found Bruce.
That is cool. Yeah. There may actually be a small current in there that moves them, because that's what they normally do, is they move with the current.
And look, a wall.
Very colorful.
Florida area, the Florida Aquarium is definitely a stop worth taking. Lots of cool aquariums, the fish, the birds, the alligators, it's all pretty awesome. So, lots to see. We have been here 2.5, 3 hours, and it's probably about the right amount of time. So with that, we'll go ahead and sign off. We'll see you on the next adventure. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell to receive notifications for future content. That's all, folks. See you on our next adventure.